this time, I think it would be a good thing to start your own company. It's kind of rocky with the economy and stuff, and especially in engineering. I think people like tend to stick with like one company that they use. Like if I was going to do like a firm they go to, like a consulting firm. And plus, I'm not very knowledgeable on a lot of things. I'm just going to put that out there. I mean, it'd be a bad idea for me to start my own company unless it was something easy. But I don't know. I think I'd try to stick with corporate ladder system. I mean, it seems to work for other people. I guess maybe even start a hybrid business of my own. Just work my way up the corporate ladder, learn a couple things, and then branch off and make money. Or just not have a boss. That'd be a plus. Just not have a boss and just work on your own. But the thing with the corporate ladder is you might get like lost and just become an employee number. Like, it's not really personal. So that'd be pretty bad. I mean, I don't know. I like to have fun and just don't like to sit in a cubicle and just crunch numbers all day and just like talk like 2 or 3 people. I don't know. That'd be pretty boring. I like to have like my own company where everybody just, I don't know, be more open. It seems like a big corporation, nobody knows anybody. I don't know. That's not very personal. That's not fun. I wouldn't want to wake up every morning and go see that. I'd like to just, not like goof off and do nothing like that. No, that's not good. But like, believe in what you're doing. And just, I don't know, kind of think you're changing something. Somehow. Something stupid like that. I don't know. That's what I think. Someone have any questions? Yes.
Do you think that the show The Office could be an accurate representation of corporate America?
Do I think the show The Office is an accurate representation? Yes, I think so. I think that, especially with a boss that doesn't know a lot of things. I mean, I'm sure that happens all the time. They're like, man, this guy how did he become the boss? Like, and all that stuff. So, I mean, I guess maybe it's just like way off in left field, but I mean, I think that's what everyone's thinking. That pretty much The Office is like. Yes?
If you were to start your own business, do you have an idea of what path it would be going in?
If I would start my own business, what path would it be? It'd probably be better ice cream cones. Every ice cream cone I've had, it starts leaking out the bottom and stuff. You know, I think we need to put more design into this on ice cream cones. Any other questions? Yes?
Just real quick, if you had to rank yourself, from 1 to 10, 1 being you didn't know how to tie your own shoes, and 10 being you were a genius, how smart do you think you are?
I think I'd be a hard 6 if I had to rank myself on knowledge. I mean, some days I wake up, I'm 7, and then some days I wake up and I'm a very low 4.